Introduction to Pharmacopoeia. In the first part of this video, we have covered history of Indian Pharmacopoeia. In this video, we will see silent features of the different edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia. Indian Pharmacopoeia is an official book of our country containing the different drugs, their standards and formulations of that drug. Learning outcomes of this video. From this video, the learner will be able to outline the features of different edition of the Indian Pharmacopoeia. Silent features of first edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia, which came in existence in about 1955. The title of monographs have been given in the Latin language. Monograph is a detailed study of a subject or detailed study or article of a subject. The English title has also been given below the abbreviation title. The weights and measures have been given in metric system. Metric system is the system of weights and measures where kilogram and liters are the standard units. All statements contained in the individual monographs have been considered as constituent standards for the official substances. That means the information of a particular substance is considered as standard for that substance. Doses are expressed in both metric system as well as English system. A list of preparations has been given at the end of some of the monographs. For example, if the monograph is on sodium chloride, the list of all preparations of sodium chloride is given at the end of that monograph. The temperature has been expressed in Celsius thermometric scale. The descriptive terms means very soluble, freely soluble, sparingly soluble, slightly soluble, very slightly soluble, practically insoluble have been used where the exact solubility of a pharmaceutical substance is not known. Silent features of second edition of the Pharmacopoeia of India. The titles of monographs have been changed from Latin to English. In first edition, the titles were in Latin language only. The words of title have been transposed to give the name of the drug first. Example, injection of aminophylline has been changed to aminophylline injection, or tablet of paracetamol has been changed to paracetamol tablet. Doses are expressed in metric system only. In first edition, the doses were in metric as well as in English system. Solubility is expressed in parts of solvent per unit part of solute. The preparations of a drug has been given immediately after the monograph on the parent drug. The test for sterility has been modified to provide for detection of fungi in addition to aerobic and anaerobic bacteria. New analytical techniques such as non-aqueous titrimetry and column chromatography have been included. In the monographs of tablets and injections, a new subheading, usual strength, has been given to represent the strength of a tablet or injection in which it should be generally marketed. Silent features of the third edition of Pharmacopoeia of India, which came in existence in about 1985. The new analytical techniques such as flame photometry, fluorometry, electrophoresis, and photometric hemoglobinometry have been introduced as official method for certain chemical analysis. Dissolution test has been introduced in the case of certain tablet. Dissolution test is the time required for a tablet to go into solution. Disintegration test has been amended by modifying the design of the apparatus and method of testing. Disintegration test is the time required for breaking of a tablet into smaller particles. A microbial limit test has been prescribed for certain pharmaceutical aids and oral liquid preparations. The pyrogen test has been revised to make the test less time consuming than the previous method. Gas liquid chromatography has been recognized as an alternative method for the determination of alcohol concentration in various preparations. The test for determination of viscosity has been modified by the introduction of other methods involving the use of Ostwald viscometer. The new appendix on water for pharmaceutical use has been introduced to clearly indicate the different official standards in respect of purified water, water for injection, and sterile water for injection. Some of the drugs have been renamed in this edition. For example, acetyl salicylic acid has been changed to aspirin. Many drugs have been omitted from third edition. Omitted means removed. And many new drugs have been included in the third edition. Silent features of fourth edition of the Indian Pharmacopoeia, which came in existence in about 1996. It contains 1149 monographs and 123 appendices and available in 2 volumes. The computer-generated structural formulae have been introduced. Some titles have been changed to include the more commonly accepted names in India. For example, hyoscine hydrobromide for scopolamine hydrobromide. Scopolamine hydrobromide is known as hyoscine hydrobromide in India. Infrared and ultraviolet absorption spectrophotometric test for identification of drug substance have been introduced as alternative test to the classical chemical test. The high performance liquid chromatography means HPLC has been widely used as a method to analyze many formulations which can otherwise be analyzed only by more difficult and less accurate method. For example, biological assay of insulin has been replaced by HPLC. The test for bacterial endotoxins as a more suitable substitute for the test for pyrogens has been introduced for some articles. A number of general monographs, for example, eye drops, eye ointments, nasal preparations, oral liquids, pessaries, suppositories, etc. have been included. A quantitative method for determining particulate matter in injectable preparations has been replaced by the qualitative test of the previous edition. The test is applicable to injectable solutions that are supplied in containers with 100 ml or more. The specific biological assays and tests provided for vaccines, hormones, blood products, and enzymes have been transferred from an appendix to the individual monographs. In the monographs for oral rehydration salts means ORS bicarbonate formula has been dropped due to its stability problem, whereas ORS citrate formula recommended by WHO is retained.